we go into next section, B, and very interesting. So this rabbi is very organized. So he said, biblically prohibited combinations. Number 1, basar v'chalav, combined meat and milk. Although both meat and milk of kosher animals is permitted, a cooked combination of meat and milk is biblically prohibited. One may not even derive benefit from such combination. For details of this halachah will be discussed in chapter 4. So he gives us a roadmap, right? So we're talking about, I want to emphasize only biblical prohibition, because as we said many times before, rabbis they built many fences about around the biblical prohibition, so we would come to violate the biblical prohibition, so which is called rabbinic prohibition. Okay, so what is prohibited? When milk and meat of the kosher animals, right, cooked together. Okay. Just one second. All the cooked, yeah, cook combination. So technically, don't get any ideas. So technically, if you put cheese, slice of cheese on a piece of meat, there's no problem, unless it's like meat very hot and it's going to cook cheese. So just so we know, right? But rabbinically, of course, it is forbidden. So number 2, kilaim, different species grown together. So it's also biblical. One may not plant vegetables or grains near one another. This is called kilei zeraim. Zera is like seed, right? Kilei seed. One may not plant any vegetables or grain near the grapevine. That is called kilei hakerem. So here's a biblical prohibition. So like logically, you would say, okay, I have this grapevine. It's very long, right? And there is so much like space is wasted like beneath it. So it goes from one place, and I'm not sure like how long it goes. Like I don't know, like how many feet? Many feet, I assume. So a person will say like it's a waste of land. It's fertile land. Let me plant there something like potatoes. I don't know. Right. So anyway, it's enough sun, because they put them in rows, and there is like a space between the rows, so it's enough sun, it's enough water, right? So maybe I can do that. So it's absolutely forbidden. Okay, by Torah decree. Two distinction between the two are. So maybe the distinction 1, it's mixed seeds, and the distinction 2 is these seeds, like foreign seeds in a vineyard. Okay. Two distinctions between the two are: the former is forbidden only in Eretz Israel. Former meaning these mixed seeds, and does not cause the produce to become prohibited produce. So it is forbidden to do that, but produce is not prohibited. Very interesting. The latter applies to any country and causes the produce become prohibited to be eaten or even to have any benefit derived thereof. Meaning what? That if you sown something in this vineyard, so it would be forbidden. Grapes would be forbidden, and the produce, whatever you sown there. Thus, outside of Eretz Yisrael, only kilei hakerem, meaning these seeds in vineyard, presents actual kashrut concern, practical applications. One who has grapevine may not plant any vegetables or grain in close proximity to the vine. So one must say it's vegetables or grain. So, for example, I have a grape wine in my front yard. Actually, two of them. But we have flowers around them. Flowers, no problem. I mean, we're not planning on eating flowers, right? But all other eatable plants you cannot do. In Eretz Israel, one may not plant any two species of vegetables or grain near each other. One must consult Rav as to the proper methods of separating species. So there is a special a pathway or something between the two fields that must be done. But usually, logically, people don't do that unless they are crazy. Because how you're going to harvest, and what are you going to do with this mixture? So usually one field on this side, another field on that side. Of course, accidentally, when the wind blows, it can blow seeds from this field to another seed. But I don't remember. Maybe it's 4 amos. It has to be separation between the two. Maybe 4 amos, maybe more. I don't remember exactly. Okay. So one more time, in exile, only sowing seeds in a vineyard, but in Israel, even mixture of the seeds. Okay.